A bonus again, back to back.
What's up, guys? Askin for Slots here with another installment of our December 2020 vlog. I hope you guys are really enjoying it as much as we enjoyed putting it together. I know this has been a long-standing vlog, and I promise you we are going to get this done, and we are going to get all the videos out just like we promised. Now, we pick up here at the Ghenghis slot in the STRAT. And we're doing a 5-cent denomination, $1.25 a spin, and we start out with $100.50. Let's see if we can book a big win here and turn things around.
Go ahead, baby. Fire off. This is the one that was at the airport that's at 1,000. Damn, man, that would have been $50. That should pay nice.
$7.
We'll take it. Oh, you got the bonus.
Yep.
Nice. We did this at the airport. Let's see if it does better than what we did that time. What did we get paid at the airport?
Oh, I don't know.
It was horrible.
It wasn't.
Hold the spin, come on. Messing it up. There we go. Wow. If you get a hold of the spinning bonus, it definitely pays better, but it's hard to get anything good in bonus on these, as you can see.
Yeah.
$7.75. Wow. A bonus again, back to back. Hopefully you do better for us this time, Ghenghis Khan. All right. Well, that's it. Oh my God. Okay, that should be all right. There we go. That's decent.
Yes.
Thank God. I was about to say, if you're going to do another crapo, hey, we'll take that all day long. Back up to even. Now we're in profit. Woo-hoo. That's real good. Oh man. Hell yeah. We just got a mini bonus. Can we get the minor? Okay, we like that. Yes. No recording.
Watching that slot session there, it got cut short by security because they asked us to stop filming right in the middle of a bonus. I tried to see if she would let us continue filming, explaining that we were doing we were a slot channel. They were adamant that they would not allow us to do that, so we left right after that bonus finished. We ended up winning $100 on that machine, ending at $200.50. So guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you have yet to subscribe to the channel. It's a free way to support us. Also, hit that like button if you enjoyed watching that big win. And make sure your notifications are turned on because we've got lots more content coming. And hint, hint, a possible Vegas trip might be around the corner. All right, guys. Thanks for watching.